kids! Today we're learning about emergency vehicles, the heroes on wheels that help people in need. Ambulance.
Yay!
An ambulance quickly takes sick or injured people to the hospital with doctors inside. Can you hear the loud siren rushing through the street?
Fire truck.
Yay!
A fire truck carries ladders, hoses, and water tanks to stop dangerous fires. Would you like to spray water just like a firefighter?
Police car.
Yay!
A police car helps officers chase criminals and keep the city safe. Can you imagine the red and blue lights flashing at night?
Rescue helicopter.
Yay!
A rescue helicopter flies high over mountains, seas, and floods to save people in danger. Would you like to fly in the sky to help in a rescue?
Tow truck.
Yay!
A tow truck lifts and pulls broken down cars to repair shops. Have you ever seen a tow truck carrying another vehicle?
Rescue boat.
Yay!
A rescue boat saves people trapped in floods, rivers, or the ocean. Would you like to ride a boat and help others in water?
Paramedic bike.
Yay!
A paramedic bike is fast and carries first aid kits to reach people quickly. Can you imagine a doctor zooming on a bike?
Bomb disposal truck.
Yay!
This truck carries special robots and experts to make areas safe. Would you feel brave riding in a bomb disposal truck?
Coast Guard ship.
Yay!
The Coast Guard ship protects people at sea and helps during storms.
Hazmat truck.
Yay!
A hazmat truck is used in chemical accidents to keep the city safe. Do you think this powerful truck looks ready for danger?
Search and rescue van.
Yay!
This van is filled with ropes, tools, and helpers to save people. Would you join the rescue team inside this van?
Mountain rescue vehicle.
Yay!
This strong vehicle climbs snowy mountains to rescue travelers. Would you ride it across snow and ice to help people?
Air ambulance.
Yay!
An air ambulance is a special medical helicopter with doctors and stretchers inside. Can you see it landing on the hospital roof to save lives?
Fire bike.
Yay!
A fire bike is small but fast and carries fire extinguishers for quick help. Would you zoom to stop a fire in seconds?
Rescue ATV.
Yay!
A rescue ATV moves on sand, mud, and rocky land to reach people quickly. Would you ride it through the forest on an adventure?
Disaster response truck.
Yay!
This truck brings food, water, and medicines after floods or earthquakes. Would you deliver supplies to people in need?
Water tanker fire truck.
Yay!
It carries thousands of liters of water to stop very large fires. Would you like to spray water everywhere like heavy rain?
Emergency bus.
Yay!
An emergency bus takes many people away from dangerous areas at once.
Mobile command vehicle.
Yay!
This vehicle is like a moving office where rescue leaders make plans. Would you like to give commands from this special van?
Rescue Dog Van.
Yay!
This van carries trained dogs that find missing people in disasters. Would you hug a brave rescue dog after its work?
Yay!
Great job, kids! You learned amazing emergency vehicles today. See you again soon. Bye!